Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download KakaoTalk on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. Once you do that, you're gonna have to navigate your way to search bar or the search icon. Then type in KakaoTalk and tap on search. Once you do that, on the top of the screen you're gonna see KakaoTalk. Connect everything with a yellow icon on it. Go ahead and select that. Now right beside the KakaoTalk's icon you're gonna see one of these four options: get, download, install, or backup. Go ahead and tap on one of those four options, then give the necessary details asked by the app. Then your phone will start downloading KakaoTalk on it. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.